guys, welcome back to Pavan Education. So today we are learning about the how to derive second equation of motion s equals to ut plus half at square. Let us go to derivation of s equals to ut plus half at square. So s equals to ut plus half at square. So s means distance travelled, u means initial velocity, t means time, and a means acceleration, t means time taken. So here we can write it as distance travelled equals to initial velocity into time plus half into acceleration into time square. So let us go to the derivation of the second equation of motion. So in order the formula for velocity is displacement divided by time. So displacement we can write it as s divided by time. So if we send t to there, it becomes v into t equals to s. It is velocity into time equals to displacement. So s equals to v into t. So we can write it as like this also. So displacement equals to velocity into time. So if velocity is not constant, we can write it as, so the formula becomes displacement equals to average velocity into time. So displacement s equals to average velocity into time. So average velocity into time. What is the formula for average velocity? We know that initial velocity means u plus v. V means final velocity divided by 2 into time. So means from the first equation. So in the first equation v equals to u plus at. We know that. So if we substitute u plus at here, so s equals to u plus at divided by 2 into time. So we can write it as s equals to 2u plus at divided by 2 into time taken. So we can write it as s equals to 2u divided by 2 plus at divided by 2 into time. So we can write it as s equals to u means, so here 2 and 2 get cancels. So you can write it as u plus half means u. So we can write it as half into a t. Half into a t. So if we remove this half, so it becomes half into a t into t. So if we multiply it, s equals to u, we want to multiply u with t, so it becomes ut plus, so half into, so half in, we want to multiply t with half into at square, so it will get half at square. So we multiplied half at with t, so we get the answer s equals to ut plus half at square. This is the derivation of the second equation of motion, s equals to ut plus half at square. So in this video, I think you all learnt about the how to derive the second equation of motion s equals to ut plus half at square. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Pavan Education.